$4. We went to Sonic.
Okay, I'm still up here. I'm finna go in here for a second.
You know what?
I gotta go in Walmart for a second.
Yeah, we don't need some water. Over here, we probably over there. Fuck Steph Curry. Fuck Steph Curry. Put him on the nigga, I think I'm covered. Where they go to?
Where they go? I don't know where they went.
I got straight elk in here, man.
Ah, shit. What you drinking on?
Man, E&J.
Ah.
Oh man, I put the film. I'm telling you.
Hey.
Right.
Oh no, what y'all?
Where everybody else at? They got left behind, didn't they? So you're not jumping off?
Who, me? No.
Huh?
Not today.
For the dealers.
Tell me why. Tell me why you look like you a treasure hunter, bro.
Oh, you talking about?
Yeah. Hey, we finna go find $1 million or something in treasure today.
Yeah.
I'm going through the waterfall.
Oh, really?
Now, I don't know how deep this water gonna be. I got a life jacket on first, and then the second time I'm gonna jump in without the life jacket. I just want to see how deep it is.
It's definitely hottest. They love.
Fuck.
Came through with the light.
For real.
We ain't gonna be able to do both.
Somebody, oh shit. Does somebody need this
We
cup of
almost
ice?
shook. I catch up. Yeah, I catch back up with the crew because I I decided to stop this real quick on this camera. So let me get back. Look at this cool waterfall. Just walked through a waterfall. But I gotta catch up back with the crew, of course. No joke. So, gonna do. Oh. Alright. Damn it. Alright, maybe this is what Pinnacle Mountain. It's not as bad as Pinnacle Mountain. Don't slip. Yeah, for real. I don't want nobody getting hurt. Oh shit, Penny, you the first to go. Oh shit. Damn, that looks dope. Damn. Hey, where are we going? I forgot. Woo! Shit. We done good, buddy. We done good. You think we done good? Shit. These rocks falling apart, bro. Watch out, that rock. Alright. Watch out, JoJo, that rock. I ain't fucking with some of these rocks, bro. They're falling apart. This ain't Uncharted, folks. Right. Bro, how'd you... Hey, shoes shot. They shot.
Those shoes is shoes, bro. Yeah, I should took my socks off before I started doing it.
I ain't worried about it. Shit, I brought some boots for a reason. Shit.
They got to do all the edge shit.
Hey, that ain't fair, is it? That shit ain't fair at all. I'm jumping. I'm jumping out that motherfucker.
Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci, like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cool shit. I do whatever that I want. I don't know where I start. All without the stormers, yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know my baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself.
I ain't gonna do that shit,
Oh.
My game ready. You know, just chilling. They about to jump off the cliff. It's your girl Kenny.
Two phones, shawty. You feel me? Y'all out here flexing, cuz.
Right, y'all take forever. Man, they don't just move. They don't want to do nothing.
I'm recording!
Oh! Oh, you said cut.
Hey, JoJo, you good? Ooh, nice. That water is cold, cold. Oh. That water was so fucking cold. I swam across. This is fucking ridiculous. He on his way. He on his way. Alright, so here's the final act. Me and bro, we going up there to get the hats. But we're not jumping again. That shit was not a game, was it? Oh shit. Yep, these shoes are done. You good? Alright guys, so we're going to get my hat and my old pot back. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Double cover. Alright, let's go get my hat. There they go, the pool. Gotta get back. Oh, this heat getting me dry to the motherfucker. Man. Damn. I'm gonna be dry by the time I walk back down that motherfucker. We're going over there. Under there. I've been trying to get her to wear her curls. I like her curls. Hand hold. Alright, man. Man, Cause it's already cold as fuck. I can feel it. I'm not even there yet. Okay. Alright, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey. I'm throwing the camera. Oh shit. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
It ain't gonna work on three.
Damn. Let's get it though. Let's get it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. I'm done. I'm using my monopod. Come on, man. What are those? What are those? My soul fell out. Oh shoot. I hope shit goes well. Oh shit. Fuck.
Hey, make sure y'all get y'all extra pepper when you use them.
Man. Whoa.
Hit my ass on the rock.
Oh, shit. Wait, you hit what on the rock?
I fell on the rock, hit my ass.
Dang. You made it, bro. You made it.
I'm too drunk for this shit, bro.
You made it, bro.
I'm drunk as fuck.
I like how the crew that was late coming down on the first ones to go. Ain't that funny? But this is beautiful. Wow.
Oh, this is an unexpected workout.
That's right, though.
Yeah?
Yes! Yes, bitch. We didn't work out. They done jumped off the cliff. Better know it.
Shit. Man, I think I'm done with water for the day. I'm gonna drink soda. We ain't drinking no water. So I'm done.
Your body done soaked up enough.
For real. I'm tired
to get uphill.
It's funny because it's so easy to come down, but so hard to come up.
Because you're exhausted when you come back.
Yeah.
You done slammed, that's something. Y'all good back there?
What is done for?
For real.
Fidel Castro. I'm finna go script.
Try to steal that bitch. Mellow.
Hello.
Hell yeah.
Oh man.
Hey, you hooping for real.
For me.
Got a nigga life shirt with his head.
See, I mean, I jumped in my shoes.
Nigga ain't came out no kind of socks.
I'm taking it.
Shit, I'm gonna dry off a little minute.
Script real quick.
What time is it?
So I get down eating, I'm going
Damn,
on the
it's
other
only
side.
3:39.
Ah, for real?
By the rocks.
Huh?
Yeah, we
3:39?
was only down there for an hour. I thought we was down for like 2 and a half.
Might
Man,
go
what
throw
you-
the grill real quick.
Slick might as well go jump again.
I ain't going back jumping.
Kind of confused as to why they didn't wash their hands. Like it's soap and tissue. I mean, paper towels in there. They didn't wash their hands.
Damn.
They just nasty. You know,
Savage.
nasty.
Savage. Yeah. JoJo.
Like y'all who don't leave. There was 3 of y'all who left. Like 3 of y'all just left. Without washing their hands.
Y'all lose that whole.
I don't know who key that is. I got my key.
Oh, yeah, we out here.
I need all of that shit.
I got you. We just y'all saying.
You ready to eat? I'm ready to eat.
Bruh, what my lip gloss? My lips just feel so dry.
Real some shit. And then go down there when we get done.
Yeah. I need to unlock the car.
Just said something.
Gotta put my tie back on.
I realize them telling so far away.
That's weird, ain't it? They said it make it sweet as hell.
Bro, do not, bro, just let it go, bro. It ain't even working, bro.
Man, we lit over here. We about to eat. I'm over here editing, and they charging their phones and shit. We getting ready. I do got a business meeting tonight, so I got to get ready for that. It's a really important one, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and what I have to offer. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.
The hamburger taste. That shit coming right back up to it.
It ain't that.